I thought that everything Jesus said was just a way to really live in the kingdom, which was to live in the present moment. I couldn't comprehend the thing about faith, that there's actually something as faith, which it is beyond this just waking up to the present living and finding peace of mind. And I must say, being in all kinds of communities around the world, being with people who meditate, doing yoga, being with rockers, skateboarders, I've seen a lot of people, but there was something special about Christians. I remember many images of Christians where I saw in their eyes that there was a certain glow there that I especially saw in those who were Christian. It's kind of like this, this life isn't that serious, kind of like this unconditional joy that wasn't based on what was happening. And I remember sitting in the church, I got this overwhelming sense of love when I realized who God was. And I remember saying to myself, this is the first time where I really feel safe. And that was actually the first word for me. That was, I feel so safe now. It was like a personal safety of somebody watching out for you. And then my next thought was, this is real love. I got so inspired also when I started reading the Bible more, that I am now at the last year on my bachelor in theology and leadership. And as part of that mission I really believe that there is a huge error that's been done in the Protestant evangelical tradition of neglecting so much of the potential of beauty.